In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide section in WordPress 2026. First, open your browser and go to wordpress.com. Sign in if you're not already, and once you land on your homepage, look to the right-hand side where your site appears in the dashboard. Hover your mouse over your site card to reveal quick actions, then click Edit Site. This opens the site editor so you can work directly on your theme and page layout. Inside the editor, scroll or navigate to the exact section you want to hide. This could be a hero banner, a promo strip, a newsletter block, whatever element you don't want visitors to see in certain situations. Hover over the section until its outline and toolbar appear, then click it to select that block or group. You'll see a small pop-up toolbar near the block. Click the three dots to open the More Options menu. From that menu, choose Hide. This brings up the visibility controls for the selected block. Here's where you decide when and where the section should be hidden. You can target specific viewport sizes, desktop, tablet, or mobile, so the content stays in your design, but won't display on screens you've chosen to hide it on. This is perfect for responsive adjustments, like simplifying a busy layout on phones or removing a mobile-only banner from larger screens. You'll also see an option labeled Omit from published content. Turn this on if you want the section completely excluded from the front end on all devices while still keeping it accessible in the editor for future use. Next, select the viewport size or sizes you want by checking the boxes beside desktop, tablet, or mobile. When your choices are set, click Apply to confirm the visibility rules for that block. Before you leave the editor, publish your changes by clicking Save. Saving is important. Apply sets the rules on the block, but Save pushes those changes live. Remember, you're not deleting anything here. The section remains in your editor, so you can bring it back at any time by returning to the same hide settings and clearing the checkboxes or turning off Omit from published content. That's it. You went to WordPress.com, opened your site in the editor, selected the section, used the three-dot menu to choose Hide, set the viewport visibility or omission, applied the changes, and saved. With these controls, you can fine-tune what visitors see on different devices or temporarily remove content without losing your work.